In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Figma design to WordPress. We'll start inside Figma. Make sure you're logged in and that the design you plan to convert is tidy and consistent. Clear layer names, grouped sections, and frames sized for desktop, tablet, and mobile will give you cleaner results once you're in WordPress. If you're collaborating, confirm you have permission to access the file. Open Figma in your browser or the desktop app and head to your projects. Click into the project that contains the design you want to export. Open the specific file and navigate to the page or frame you want to turn into a WordPress layout. Beginning with your main homepage frame is a great starting point, and keeping your layout grid visible can help you spot spacing issues before conversion. On the canvas, right-click to open the context menu and choose Plugins. You can also reach this from the top bar under Resources, then Plugins. In the search, look for a plugin designed to convert Figma to WordPress. If you see one called Figma to WordPress, go ahead and click it. You can also type the name Yotako to find a popular option. Launch the plugin and grant any requested access so it can read your file. Next, you'll need the link to your design. In Figma, click Share and copy the file link. If the plugin can't read the file, check that link sharing allows viewing, or that you're signed in to the same account the plugin uses. Avoid sharing links publicly if your design contains confidential content, and keep your file organized so the plugin maps sections accurately. Return to the plugin panel and paste that link into the input field. Double-check that it's the file or page link the plugin expects. Some tools detect the active frame automatically, but providing the file link is the most reliable way to ensure everything is included. Click Continue. The plugin will analyze your layers, export assets, and prepare the WordPress output. Processing can take a moment for larger files. When it's done, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the conversion or download the package the plugin generates. A few quick tips to wrap up. Using auto layout and consistent spacing in Figma helps the plugin create responsive sections. Name components and frames clearly, since those names often become section IDs or block titles. After conversion, install on a staging WordPress site first. Test responsiveness across breakpoints. Replace any placeholder fonts or images you don't have rights to use, and optimize media for performance. And that's the process. You've opened your project, launched the Figma to WordPress plugin, copied your design link, pasted it into the plugin, and continued through the conversion. Thanks for watching, and happy building.